Friday ngayon. Punta kami sa Walmart Doon ako nag-makeup, guys. Nag-ano lang ako, naligo lang ako. Pero naligo naman ako. Si Pedro. Hindi ko siya lalagay sa video ngayon kasi pagod siya. He's so tired today. Haggardness, si Lolo. Pangit daw. You never been pangit daw. Just that you're tired. So, daw nag-makeup, naligo lang ako.
I need makeup too.
Yeah. Punta kami sa Walmart, Stephanie, love. Because that's it's a neighborhood Walmart. Kasi yung Walmart namin na malapit dito, big Walmart siya. Masyado siyang what do you call it? Maraming tao. There's a lot of people coming there.
Yeah, it's too overcrowded.
Yeah, crowded. It's too crowded.
It's too crowded. Can't shop. You can't.
Kaya doon kami ngayon sa neighborhood Walmart. Medyo din hungry din ako. Pero naligo na ako, guys. Hindi lang mukha. So, sama ko kayo sa Walmart. Mag-shopping tayo or grocery. Nung una kong dating dito, love, I thought, you're always telling me, let's go shop. Let's go shopping. Akala ko yung shopping is, because for us, love, shopping is you go to the mall and you shop like shopping galore. No, it's not. Shopping groceries. Yeah. Because in the Philippines we call it, let's do groceries. Let's go let's have some groceries.
Yeah, we do that too. We call it shopping for groceries.
Yeah.
We do it too. Yes, we just don't sometimes specify, but we do. My son made me some yummy food.
Yeah. So
chicken stew.
I posted it already.
Oh, okay.
It's already on my YouTube.
Everybody knows. Okay.
So nag-afritada ako earlier. Afritada, fusion of Puerto Rican chicken stew and Filipino afritada. So I'm not that really good in cooking, but I just tried it.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, hindi ako ganun kagaling magluto, pero I tried my best to cook para sa aking asawa. Pero happy naman ako, si Pedro, na-enjoy naman niya yung yung food ko. Every time nagluluto ako.
Very happy.
Very happy, sabi niya. Tingnan niyo yung ulap po. The ulap today is ulap, sky, clouds. The weather today is
107, I think.
107, cloudy. Ang ganda oh. Sa Pilipinas, again, hindi ako nakakatingin sa langit. Though, sa Pilipinas, ang ganda ng langit talaga, love. Love, you know what, in the Philippines, we have really nice weather, nice cloud, really
September's
beautiful.
almost there.
Yeah, that's not safe.
It is. It's on a bike.
Oh my goodness. He's fixing his,
Yeah, his leg or something.
Oh, yeah. Sa Pilipinas, maganda yung clouds, maganda yung panahon, maganda yung pero hindi ko talaga natitignan sa sobrang busy. Sa Pilipinas, masyado tayong busy sa buhay natin. We're too busy. Our life is so busy.
Yeah, we're busy now.
Yeah, so hindi tayo nakakatingin. Sa mga Pilipino po na for all of those Filipinos that you're in the Philippines right now, try to look up and appreciate the sky that we have in the Philippines kasi
you miss it when
we're missing it. We Filipinos are missing it, because American goes or Westerner goes in the Philippines just to be in our place, but we locals always forget of what we have there. But love, we don't do that in purpose. It's just that we're busy. Busy surviving. I don't know other people and other Filipinos love, but Because me, I really tried to survive in the Philippines. Because remember, I've been single for a long time and I need to work for my kids, for my family needs. Because my mother is also with me. I need to at least support her. Although I have my siblings, may mga kapatid naman ako. I have siblings helping me. But still, you know, yeah, my mentality is I need to provide for my family, you know. And also, I don't know, I don't have that, I don't have the personality to just stop, just keep working. Because I remember when I was in the Philippines, I remember I'm working with my piece of Wi-Fi, my freelancing recruitment, and I'm trying to still apply for as a call center agent. Remember that time, love? Yeah. I'm trying to do three jobs at the same time.
That's not good.
Yeah, it's not good, but yeah, still God is providing. I think I forgot that God is there. God is there providing for me. Don't be so worried, anxious for everything.
Yeah, our human nature is we want abundance. Abundance. And God tells me, I'm just going to give you what you need. Not abundance, no, not now. Abundance comes later.
Yeah.
When you earn that, abundance is earned. Especially when you're dealing with the Lord.
Amen. But yeah, here, when I came here, Pedro taught me of, hey, you need to relax.
Yeah.
I remember when I came here, I just remember now that you always like,
You sit down, you know.
yeah, you sit down. Because I always like, I can't sit down. I even got mad to Pedro because he's always telling me, sit down, watch some movies. Because for me, at first, movies is like waste of time.
It's bonding.
Yeah, but Pedro taught me of movies is a family time. It's a time to for you to be together with your family, to bond. Just enjoy your life with your family, and don't worry. I will provide for you. It's always what do you call this?
Reassuring?
No, you always like telling me that I will provide for you. Cause you always provide for me. When I work, I don't give anything for Pedro. My money goes to Philippines, to my land that I'm paying for, and some for my kids and my family. But Pedro is the one who's providing for me actually. So I don't need to be like work hard, but you know, my body is always longing for
rest.
No, I need to work.
Oh no, well,
money.
well,
Yeah, generating money for, you know, the needs.
Take it easy.
But
You have to have a balance. Without a balance, it's no good. Because you can then work too much.
yeah,
And then that's not going to help you. Because you're sick now because of overworking.
yeah.
Then why money's only for hospital bills? Then you got to have a balance.
Pedro always reminding me about that. But yeah, thank you Lord, for
Thank you,
because
Lord.
now
Life is short.
Yeah, now I realize that.
Life is short.
Yeah, now I'm, what do you call that, love? I appreciate everything now. Now
Every moment.
yeah, I stayed really calm now. Take my time. It's okay. God is there. God will provide. Don't be worried, you know. Life is too short. So, nandito na kami. Guys, a lot of places here are self-storage. So, marami dito for rent na self-storage kasi marami dito na yung maraming gamit. Tapos, nagre-rent sila sa self-storage or a place para lang itago yung mga things nila, yung excess things nila. Because a lot here are just renting apartments. So, hindi kasya yung gamit nila. So, what they do is, they're renting self-storage. Dito na kami guys, Walmart Neighborhood Market. Stephanie Road to. Yeah. Meron dito mga ready-made na sandwiches na dito. Ayan o. Mega Italian style. Oh. You like this? Italian style. Sandwiches in the morning if you want. So ano to? $3 siya. Ayan. Meron dito chicken salad, croissant na siya, 4.44 lang. Pero, si Pedro mahilig sa ganyan. Ako hindi ako mahilig. Ganitong sibuyas yung ginagamit namin, guys. Ito yung pinipili ko, guys, oh. May mga nakasave ng 0.88. So, ito na yung kinukuha ko kasi kompleto na to. Tapos, may spinach na rin to. Then, bili tayo ng mushroom. Siguro maganda lang tayo ng maliliit lang. Ito lang, maliit lang. Naisip ko ito ba or kasi ito ay $2 pag buo $2.13. Then nahanap ko syempre yung mura lang. Ay, ito $1 lang siya. Mushroom pa rin naman kasi siya. Kakat ko na lang kasi ito ay slice na $2.13. Ito $1. Konti lang naman diferensya. Ano kaya? Ayoko mag-cut. Tinatamad ako. Then, kuha ako ng dalawa. Kasi wala namang iba. I got 2 mushrooms lang. Oh, I like this too. Ito na lang. Sugars. Oh, but this is not the one where you need to cook.
I have to go when I can buy the soup, the meat for the soup. The Magalo bean.
Oh yeah.
I have to go to Cebu City.
Masyang breast. Ako naman kukuha ako nito. Chicken. 5.13 na lang. This is for chicken. Yung lugaw.
$9.
Chicken porridge or tinola.
No, arroz caldo.
Yeah, arroz caldo. Chicken porridge. No. Diet Gatorade. Orange. Zero, sugar free to kay Pedro.
Healthy.
Kasi nagpalit siya. Instead of more soda, yan na lang. Nagkikrave ako ng matamis. Check tayo. Para masarap tong donut na to. Ang dami kasi. Or muffin. Muffin kasi masyadong marami. Parang ito na lang donut. Gusto ko na matamis yan. Ito na lang. Kuha tayo ng Lays. Tingnan natin ito. What's this? Funyuns. Onion. Ganyan natin ito. Makapal na Lays. Naka-sale sila, oh. Naka-sale sila from $3.50 to $50. $1 less. Ito gusto to ni Pedro. Yellow corn tostita. Ito parang masarap to. Keto cheese nut and seed. Mas maganda pala to. May dried fruits. Yung parang binibili ko sa ano, saan nga ba to? Sa Ross or sa Marshalls. Mas maganda to, mas healthy. Ito gusto to ni Pedro, Olive Garden croutons sa salad namin. Ito guys, gusto namin to. Chicken Venus sausage. Piniprito ko lang to. Ito guys, so kailangan din namin to. Chia seed, organic. Don't panic, organic. This guys, coffee protein shake. Pag ano si Pedro, instead of what's that na Starbucks coffee, ito na lang. Ano pati siya, protein shake siya. Gives energy for Pedro. Guys, tingnan nyo. Meron pang ano, flip phone. Then, black phone, AT&T, kakatawa. TCL, mga ano yan, flip phone. Ito, $39 pa siya. Ganitong Verizon.
It's a nice night. Even though it's warm, but
yeah,
nice. I don't know.
Guys, alam nyo, ang ganda kasi ano, na yung pinamili namin hindi ganun kamahal. $175 lang for all of this. Usually we were paying $300 with that grocery lab, right? But you know what happened? Because we choose no, because we choose very the not that expensive items.
Choosing wisely.
Kasi mahilig ako pumili ng ano.
If we didn't have meat,
yung mga sale. Yung mga,
right.
Mahilig ako yung mga promo nila. Yun ang binibili ko. Kahit magtagal akong mamili, it's okay. At least mura. Like this, guys. It's, I know, nasa $5 so doon. Nakuha lang natin $3. Diba? Kailangan maging ano tayo, wais. Magaling naman tayo. Filipinos are really good in wise shopping. Let's check. Ano to? Oreo muffin. Nagkaroon ako ng cravings. Hindi po ako buntis ha. So good. He doesn't like it because of sugar.
Yeah.
But I just want him to try it. Nagkaroon kasi ako ng cravings kasi yung malalaking muffins ang bibili ko. Hindi ko maliliit na lang. But if you're gonna buy it in Starbucks, one muffin like that is like $5, right? Or $6. So, sa mga grocery ko na lang na ganyan bumili ng muffin. Same lang naman yung lasa nila. Hindi man ganun ka iba. Kung ma-arte ka lang talaga, di mag-ano ka. Hi, guys! Hindi yan. Kauwi lang namin sa mag-ayos tayo ng grocery namin. So, nagano lang ako ng dalawang bread. Ito, ang bread niya kasi is sourdough. Ayoko ng lasa ng sourdough. Medyo maasim siya. Kasi may vinegar yata to. Tapos ito, white bread lang ako. Napapaibig lang ako lagi sa white bread. Then, bumili ako ng dalawang klase ng mushroom. Ito kasi, mura lang to, kaya ako binili. Kasi pang dagdag din. Wala kasi sila yung mushroom na parang long stem. Siguro bukas kami bibili nun. Tapos ito, itlog. Jumbo yung kinukuha namin kasi maliliit yung itlog dito eh. Gusto ko isang prituhan malaki. Tapos yung mga binibili ko, kasi yung pinakita ko kanina sa inyo, ang dami nung pinamili namin. Usually, pinabayaran ni Pedro 300. Pero kanina, 175 lang. Tapos yung, kasi ang binibili ko, yung mga ganito ba guys, yung may mga save. So, ito is before, ano siya, $4 or $4 something, na ano ko lang ng 310. So, parang dollar less siya. So, malaking bagay din yon. Tapos, yung mga ganito lang kaunti binibili kong gulay. Kasi, para bumibili lang kami lagi. Tapos, ito, parang $0.50 din yung ano, parang yan, 37 cent din yung less nito. Yung mga may ganyan ang binibili ko. Ito rin, 167 nung na-save ko dito. Ganyan yung mga binibili ko. Tapos, yan, lagi kami may cilantro at tsaka itong onion spring. Importante sa akin yan pag naluluto. Pag bumibili kami ng sibuyas, isang piraso lang para, hindi naman kasi kami laging nagluluto. Sinahati ko lang yan. Minsan 1/4 lang yung ginagamit ko. Tapos bumili kami nito guys ng ano, ito. Kasi yung ano ni Pedro, yung, ayan, sushi ginger gari. Yung ano niya kasi, yung ramen soup niya, parang napapansin ko, meron siyang red ginger on top of it. Gusto ni Pedro yung ganun. Kaya bumili ako. Then, ano ba? Ito, sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Ito, tama nyo guys. Ito, parang $9 something to. Ito, yung kinakain namin na manip sa gabi. Meron siyang dried sweetened cranberries and walnuts, pepitas, almonds, and pecans. So, yung binibili ko sa Ross or saan nga ba to? Sa Marshalls, ano lang siya, $9 to $3 lang or $4. Ang laki ng diferensya niya. Tapos, si Pedro, ang fruits niya lagi, ito yung pinaka-snacks niya sa gabi. Then, ice cream namin is Rocky Road ice cream. Pero hindi naman lagi kami kumakain.
You still have that stuff out?
Yeah.
Ready.
So, nagkamadali na ako. Ayusin ko na lang to kasi si Pedro, manonood kami ng movie. You watch the movie pa
Huh?
You watch the movie pa. Ayan, mag-ayos na tayo dito. Kasi si Pedro ay manonood na kami.
Yeah, we're gonna watch the after show.
Huh?
Yeah, that's the one we're watching after show.
Oh, yeah.
After show.
Oh, I forgot to get some repolyo.
Oh, yeah.
The cabbage. Is repolyo and cabbage the same?
Yep. It is.
You know what? It doesn't follow me because
What?
it's only following you.
We're just showing your grocery list of that what you're doing.
have red wine here.
Huh?
I still have red wine here.
Yeah.
My red wine.
Oh. Yours.
Yeah, without alcohol.
Yeah.
Mm.
Maybe a little bit of alcohol so it can relax me.
I don't like alcohol now. I had enough alcohol in my life. I don't know if this should be in the fridge. I'm done. See? I'm so quick. I'm quicker than you.
Yeah. Go on.
Tapos ang binili ko lang na chia seed. Ito kasi yung chia seed namin dati. Yan. Binili ko ito na lang. Kasi ito, this is like $11, right, love? $11. Ito, $9 lang to. I think same amount lang siya.
Yeah, it's about the same.
This is 2 pounds. Yeah, it's the same. 907 grams. 2 pounds. Same.
So telling you the container.
The container is like cost like $2. Oh, ang binili ko, ito may lalagyan na siya eh. So lagyan na lang natin yung ano, yung mismo chia seed.
Guys, tapos na ako mag-ayos ng grocery. Ngayon nag-movie na kami. Movie marathon! Ayan. Nagluluto ako ng kanin there. Kasi kakain akong kanin habang nanonood ng movie. Afritada! Ganda to. Ano to? Fast and Furious. Fast and the Furious. The? What's the title?
Hobbs and Shaw.
Hobbs and Shaw. Maganda to, guys. Hindi kami makapagpalakas ng movie. Gawa ng yung subwoofer. Yung kapitbahay namin. Dumadagundong daw yung ano nila. Yung, tawag dito, yung wall nila. She took the virus!
When you told you got away with the virus, I want to home and run with no place to turn.
Kaya ako si Pedro, pag niyayaya ko manood ng sine, ayoko. Sa bahay pa lang may sine na kami. These two guys. That two guys. Oh, they're both eating itlog. In the morning. Yeah, good job, guys. Oh, the one raw.
Yeah, this one's fancy. So sassy.
Yeah.
So sassy.
The one is social, the one is not social. But parehong kalbo.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, but they both received the call.
Yeah, they work on the same speed.